Hey, what's up? This is Alex. Today I'm going to show you how I did these heatless curls on this kinky straight U-part. I wore this thing last night. I got this thing off Shein. It is a heatless curler that you put on your head and then you wrap your hair on it with these little hair ties. If you want a more tight curl, I can do a video curling my hair that way, but for this video I just wanted a more straight look because I just straightened my hair yesterday. So if this is something that you're interested in learning how to do, definitely keep watching. And before we jump in the video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please like this video so that way I know you want to see more content like this. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I install this overnight curler. I got this from Shein over a year ago. So it already has like dents in the foam. As you can see, it's like kind of crazy looking, but it should work. So what I'm doing now is just separating my hair, grabbing a clip and just clipping that tie to my hair. And what I'm doing is I'm going for a bigger curl look. So what I'm going to do is just wrap my hair. Okay.
I bought a house in Cabo to shake off my cargo. It went a little bit far though. I didn't blew my top off. 9-6 by Arsenal. I didn't drive my car home when I drank that charcoal. Man, I miss my mom so. Ask me how it feels. I say it feels too real. When you pick up speed, was pitch black weed. Well, you got your thoughts. All the in there deep. What about your heart? Does it beat too hard? Mine does.
All right, and that's it. So these are super light. They're made out of foam, so it's very easy to sleep on this thing, unlike your typical flexi rod. So I'll come back tomorrow in the morning and let you see what my hair looks like so you can see how these heatless curls last. So I see you tomorrow. All right, so it's the next morning and let's take these out and see how they are. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take off the curlers, and to reduce frizz, I'm gonna lightly take off the roller. And I went for a very loose curl. You can make these tighter by just rolling your hair tighter, meaning more times around the wrap. But I wanted that loose wave look. And yeah, you can see it's a perfect body wave. And that's it. It's super easy to do. As you can see, you get a perfect little wave. I love it. So cute. So if this is a video that you liked, if you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, helps me know what kind of videos you like. If you want to see more heatless curl styles, maybe a tighter version. If you don't want more of a Bodywave look, this is what I was going for. But if you want a more tight spiral curl look, I can definitely do that. Just leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.